Hello, welcome to our video. Let me get Sophia on it real quick.
Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell so we'll be notified any day we post a new video.
Come down here, Sophia. I wanted you to show everybody your new cute outfit.
And I'm going to show them my glasses.
Okay. Woo! Show me, girl. Show me. Model it out. Turn around. Do a spin. Ooh wee. Where's your glasses? Show them, girl. Oh, yeah, sister. What? All right, girlie, come get up in the table. So, yeah, guys, that's one of her unboxing videos that she did this morning. She got all that outfit plus 10 times more. And
I love my shoes.
It was in her Kid Picks box. Okay, we are doing the FabFitFun unboxing. Summer. This is the summer box. I love FabFitFun boxes. They're my favorite to get in the mail. They're a little bit more money, but so worth it. So you can and $10 off my first box. That's $200 worth of products for just $39.99. I normally pay $49.99. So I have a coupon there. Okay, so then if anyone would like this 50% off for HelloFresh, no, because I don't use this. So actually, here, there's a code right here. Right there. So feel free, first come, first serve him, because I don't use that.
So pause that video and just type in the code.
Right. So, ooh.
Take a quick look.
Yes, girl, yes. Okay, all right, let's do this. We got, dum bum bum bum.
Drum roll.
It's that mystery choice. You normally get to choose the products. You get to customize it. This box, I have been so busy, I did not get online and customize it, but they always pick out good products for me anyways. Hand cream, amazing, because I need it really bad. My hands get really dry. Okay, so make sure you back up a little, sissy. This one is Grace and Stella Rose Spray, facial spray for your face. Amazing, because I love using, me and Sophia both love using stuff on our face, don't we, girl?
Spray all day. Healing
Balm. Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm for your lips, cuts and burns, dry skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, baby ointment. Wow, it's used for a bunch of things. This one is a exfoliating foot mask. So get that on the camera. These are Invisibobby ponies. Keep this. Yep.
Just sit on my butt.
Okay, perfect. This is a spiritualgangster.com. I'm not exactly sure what that is yet. I'll have to read the paper when I pull it out. It's an exercise program to help you lose weight. Resistance bands. And then this is a clay mask. And let's see, a message board where you can put letters on it and stuff. That is, we had one of these before.
Oh,
do you remember the one we had before?
Oh no, I don't remember.
We had it just like a month ago.
Oh yeah.
I got it from
we hanged it.
But it was not. The quality was not great at all.
We hanged it on our wall. Wait, did we?
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is it for this box. We will do some reviews on our products. I hope everybody likes our video. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I know it shows the products in here, all the products and how you can use them. See the sprays and the prices of them. Like the clay mask is the $39 mask. The Invisibobbies are $16. The micro polish is $57. The spray, $36. See, all of these. Oh, it's a robe. It's a robe. This is a robe. So yeah, there's the board. This is really cute. I'm definitely liking this. So yeah, I hope.
And guys, you know what to do. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button.
Smash it! Because Sophia said you better do it, so you better do it. All right.
Don't tell her she's just so funny.
I hope everyone has a wonderful day. We got all these products to go through now. We'll do some reviews shortly. Bye. Bye.
Bye.